Hey guys, here today with another biz tip for you, and today it's all about marketing tools. That's right, I want to talk about marketing tools and how you can utilize them to spark communication with your target market. It's Lori A. Mans here, trailblazing business strategist, helping you to get more dream clients, gain brand visibility, and grow revenue in record time. Yes guys, marketing tools are exactly what you need to do to figure out what your target market wants. So listen. The number one tool I like is Google Analytics. It will tell you who's been on your website and what they did when they got to your website. And then number two, I like to use surveys. That's right, I like to survey my audience to see what they think about my products, my services, and me in general. And number three, loyalty programs. I like to reward people for referring business to me. So let me ask you something. What marketing tools do you use to spark communication with your target market? Leave me a comment below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. LoriMans.com.